So we have grabbed the GoPro this morning and we're going to start early. Good morning. Because the actual temperature here today is 100 degrees with a real feel, including the humidity, which is outrageous, is going to be 113 degrees. But we're going to be viewing this 2023 Palomino Puma, model number 31RLQS. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath layout. The RL does stand for rear living, QS stands for queen slide. The coach is going to come in right about 36 feet in length. Again, 3 slide outs, washer and dryer already included. And for some viewers that are always curious if you can access the fridge with those slides closed, you cannot on this one. But if you're new here, I do welcome you to the channel, and let's get started. So with all those numbers being said, I'd recommend towing it with at least a 3/4 ton. We are going to go over the outside first, but we're not going to spend a lot of time on the outside because there's really not that much to show. This is going to be your only exterior storage. Your sewer connections are on this side. You got 2 grays and a black. That is the only sewer connection, shower connection, city water connection, and that's your power hookup. All of your slide mechanisms are rack and pinion slides. This coach is stabilized from electric stabilizers. You've got a set in the front plus a set in the back. You notice I just pointed completely opposite of what I said. Blindside camera prep, fully walkable roof, 4x4 tubular bumper, and this is the controls. Each one of your jacks will have its own independent switch. These only go down till they feel about maybe 5 to 10 pounds of pressure before they completely turn off. And that is the rack and pinion slide. All mechanisms are the same for the 3 slide outs on board. So the coach you're looking at today is what I call a stick and tin. It is a metal siding camper with a wooden construction. Your awning here is right at 13 feet in length. And if you did not have the washer and dryer, you would have additional storage, I guess, on board with this. 2 30-pound propane bottles in the front with the electric tongue jack, and that's the vent for the dryer. Let's go ahead now and step inside. So model number 31RLQS, let's get you inside and get you spun around real quick. All of your controls located right here to the right. So camper is 36 feet, 1 inch of total length. I'll provide you with an estimated, wow, possibly 12 feet of walking space right here in your living room. Ceiling height on board is 6'8", but this is a slide out on this side where your slide box height is 5'7". Kind of a middle kitchen layout. I figured we'd start from your theater seats, giving your view if maybe you're watching television, which would be mounted right there. Can possibly mount upwards of about a 42, maybe a 48-inch TV. IRV technology sound bar with zones 1 and 2. And this is your all-electric fireplace. That does produce right at 5,000 BTUs of heat. However, most of your heat will be coming from the floor vents found in the floor. Speaking of floor, I'm glad to see that they have finally removed all the carpet inside the RV, replacing it with this woven type material. So let's go over your pantry and then your kitchen. Florida slide box height pantry, that's kind of nice. Pretty deep as well, possibly maybe 18 to 20 inches deep. Your fridge is a 12-volt compressor fridge. This will work while you're in transportation. We pretty much have standard appliances inside of the kitchen, but we'll get there in a second. Kitchen island, some additional storage underneath. You got the single basin undermount sink with the residential faucet also. Now let's look at your oven. Your counters on board are what I call the pressed membrane. It's like a hard heated plastic that's wrapped over a mold. It does a great job though of allowing water to penetrate. So still a good brand, good thing to have, but honestly I still like the solid surface a little bit better. Standard RV oven, Greystone brand, and for reference the size. Greystone hood vent, and some storage. Looking at your dining room slash living room slide, you got the freestanding table. Again, slide box height. That's what this is. That is a slide out. It goes out once you're in position. 5'7". This is Thomas Paine Collection furniture. These two are theater seats. And on the back wall, that is a sleeper sofa. So I'll incorporate a video about here with this opened up all the way, showing you about how much walk room you'll have. Your window treatments on board are trimmed out with a gray roller shade. And now I'm going to talk about air conditioning because it's starting to get hot. So on board the coach, you've got two air conditioners. This is a 15K and it's duct all the way throughout the bathroom and the main bedroom in the front. You'll probably notice air conditioning vents that match this one also. Let's just go ahead and head up there. But let's turn this on real quick. Cool. Fan 172, that'll come on momentarily. So that's the thermostat for the living room, air conditioner, and let's go in the bedroom. So I'll pan around, just get you familiar with the bedroom, but those ceiling vents still coming from the air conditioner in the living room. There's air, plenty of air flowing. So it keeps the bedroom nice and cool, but if you're like me and you want to stay extra cool, there is now a second 13.5 air conditioner mounted here in the bedroom. So it's just going to send its air right here. It is a little bit noisy and I'm not going to turn it on for the video. This is a queen size bed. It goes with the RLQS. QS for queen slide also. There's additional storage under the bed. There is a shelf, that's nice. 12-volt outlet, it's here. And it is also trimmed out for some blankets. Look at the room at the foot of the bed. That's very, very nice. Possibly at least 4 feet of space. And you could mount a television over the dresser there. I'd recommend, honestly, though, just leaving it placed on the dresser instead of mounting it to the wall. We get a lot of customers bringing their campers in on trade where they have mounted their own TV and they drilled straight through the wall. Splendid stackable washer and dryer. And you got the fifth wheel style closet all the way on the front. These are very, very nice. This is a very affordable coach. It's one of our more popular brands because of its price point. This is your bathroom. That's a plastic foot flush toilet. So the shower, you're at, so I'm 6'2". I stepped inside the shower. I had about an inch over my head before I even started to get inside of the extra skylight there. This is your linen closet, very, very deep. It's the same depth of the shower. Your bathroom vanity, plastic sink, the same countertops continued over. Let's take a look at our price as well as the MSRP. So now let's go over the MSRP on the coach, but before we do so, if you'd like to view more additional photos of this coach, or maybe you have some additional questions and you'd like to reach out to me, there is a contact link down below as well as a link to my website where you can view more additional photos as well as availability of each make and model that I show. So as of 1 August 2023, this thing has 2 pages. And I'm videoing with a GoPro, so maybe you can pause the video here. That's page number 1. Page number 2. MSRP of $61,526.40. But that price can be found over at my website, which is at that link down below. Continue to like and subscribe. Come see us.